Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1207A. 86,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, deep cherry red in color. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with the leather interior. Outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, adaptive cruise control along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, hitch and wiring, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, push button start, large easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. It's also where you set the adaptive cruise control. Paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. And dual zone temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive with 4 low, giving you the greatest capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with overhead auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, sunshade, and liftgate controls. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, 360 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles per gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.